it did last night. That was half the problem.
Lincoln's getting a buzz cut.
Are you taking pictures?
I'm taking a video.
She's taking a video. Cookie.
I was gonna do a mohawk, but he moved. So.
You can do a Friar Chuck.
Or not.
I had a Friar Chuck in high school. I also shaved my hair completely and dyed it purple.
Are you freaky?
Yeah, I'm really sad right now.
Well, it's alright. She could stop.
Oh my god, I'm really sad.
I think you just gotta keep going, Casey. I don't think you're
You're gonna leave it longer on top? That'd be fun.
What are you talking about? I wasn't gonna stop.
No, I mean you always stop in the middle or the top.
You dropped the cookie.
Sadie got the cookie.
It has chocolate in it. Sadie.
She got the last one he had too.
Buddy, you're okay.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, yeah, it's okay.